speakers not working or headphones not detected, don't worry. In this video, I will show you a simple fixes for audio problems on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Let's start. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This is how you can support us. Step number 1. Check volume and output devices. Find the speaker icon on the taskbar. Click on that and make sure the volume is not muted. Increase the volume completely. You can find a small arrow here. Click on that. Here you will see available audio devices. Now select the correct speaker or headphone device. Sometimes Windows selects a wrong output automatically. Check whether sound is working or not. If it is not, move to the step number 2. Restart Windows Audio Service. Go to the Windows search bar, type run, open the run app. Now type services.msc, hit enter. Scroll down slowly and find Windows Audio. Here it is. Right click on that, then select restart. Once you restart, wait for a few seconds. Now test your sound again. Close the window. Step number 3. Run audio troubleshooter. If still no sound, Windows can automatically detect audio problems. So go to the Windows search bar and search for settings. Open the settings app. Now go to system. Scroll down, find troubleshoot. Click on that. Then find other troubleshooter. Open that. Now go to audio. Then hit run. Wait while Windows scans for sound issues and fixes automatically for you. So follow the process. Once you're done, close the window. Step number 4. Update audio driver. Go to the Windows search bar. Search for device manager. Hit enter. Now find sound, video and game controllers. Double click on that to expand. Now right click on the audio driver. You can find Realtek audio, Intel audio, Nvidia audio. I have installed Realtek. Right click on that. Then hit update driver. If you connected with the internet, click on search automatically for drivers. Once it installed, close the window. Step number 5. Reinstall audio driver. If sound is still missing, again open the device manager, sound, video and game controllers, expand it, right click on the audio driver, uninstall the device. Don't worry, once you restart your laptop, Windows will automatically reinstall the sound driver after restart. Just uninstall, then close the window and restart. Step number 6. Disable audio enhancements. Right click on the start menu, select settings, go to the system, select sound, scroll down, under the advanced section, click on all sound devices, select the speaker device which you are using. Under the advanced settings, you find audio enhancements. Now switch device default effects to the turn off. Once you're done, close the window. Step number 7. Final fix for headphones not detected. If your headphones are not detected, try connecting them slowly. For wired headphones, unplug and reconnect. For Bluetooth headphones, remove the device, pair it again. Also, try another USB or audio port. So that's it guys. If this video helped fix your sound problem, please like this video, subscribe to Fix Office and comment which fix worked for you. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.